hero. I wish I could be like him.
You can be like David. The challenges you face will be different to Goliath, but you can still overcome them.
How?
By having those same inner qualities that all heroes have, the 3 Ps. Persevering and protecting.
Of course. That's only 2 Ps.
David didn't walk alone. Remember that God, who sees our heart, knew that David trusted him. God was his partner.
So that was his secret. David faced a giant problem, but he trusted in God to help him overcome it.
Exactly. And Christians believe that Jesus is God's Son. So Christians read the Bible to learn about Jesus and to learn how to follow his teaching. And one of the things Jesus said is, I am the good shepherd. And he promises to always be with us when we trust him and follow him.
That's good news. And thanks. I won't forget the 3 Ps or the Good Shepherd.
That's great. Well done. Now we're going to have a song. And I think many of you will recognize the song. And you also, I think, spot that we've changed the words very slightly towards the end.